Hi, my name is Jenni Simano, and I am the founder of H3 Coaching Services. I am a health and wellness coach and a life empowerment coach, and that all became possible because I became a member of Shaya's group. I went through her program and finished writing my programs and just kind of figured out how to become a business owner. And I was able to grow and meet wonderful people. Shaya has this just charisma about her that is infectious. And the moment I met her, I knew I had to work with her. And this is one of those places that you just have to be if you want to strike out on your own and become an entrepreneur and be successful and be in a community full of supportive and amazing people. Through this program, I've been able to launch my individual coaching programs, my group programs, and I've even written a book. All of this in such a really short period of time and in such an environment that just kind of pushes you to become a better person and really just do what you need to do to become successful. And I cannot thank Shaya enough for all of the wonderful advice and opportunities that she's given to me, and she has truly changed my life by giving me the opportunity to be a part of her programs. So if you're looking for something to really get you going on the path and becoming successful, this is the place to be.